us lang. Because ako talaga, firm believer ako that no man is an island. Parang we were like born to be in a social relationship with each other and to make sure that no one gets left behind. And yun din yung maganda sa channel na to, yung pagiging inclusive din niya. Thank you.
Let's get lang kay China and AC. I understand that it wasn't easy, yes, for you to be part of the show, pero how do you feel na you're part of a program or a program with Jody?
Uy, sobrang nakakakilig, ate. Siyempre, hindi kasi yun nga, parang, of course, hindi na, magpapaka-fan ako, ate. Sobrang, one of my favorite actresses, hindi ba? Parang sobrang, gayahin mo nga ulit yung linya ni Jody. Your daughter. Ganun na. Di ba? Parang 2 years ago na yun, 3 years ago na. Tapos parang, fast forward to, di ba, 2025, mga katrabaho ko si Ate Jody. Parang yan again, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, parang ang hirap humindi. Na parang, although, yun nga, paano ba to? Paano ba siya magiging positive yung show? Ang dami ng negative sa mundo ngayon. It's so easy na tumingin dun sa negative, gumawa ng masama, isipin mo ano yung mga hindi makakabuti. Pero, again, it's a choice, hindi ba? And you can choose to be good, hindi ba? So, yun yung lagi kong napipick up dun sa show. More than nakakatrabaho ko si Ate Jody. Yun yung isa siya sa mga resolutions ko sa this year. Sabi ko, parang gusto ko mas maging kinder than ever before. So yun yung nakukuha ko every single shooting day. Yun po.
Ako naman, seryoso. Hindi, kasi ako, masayang-masaya ako na nakatrabaho ko rin si Jody. Nasabi ko nga lagi sa mga interview ko, na manifest ko talagang maka-work siya. Kasi sa US pa lang, pinanonood ko yung yung Be Careful. Ang tagal na yung Be Careful, pero pinanood ko talaga minarathon ko yan bago ko magpunta dito. And then I said, makaka-work ko talaga yan si Jody. Ulit, kasi nagkasama kami sa Love with an Accent. Then pag uwi ko, nakasama ko siya ulit. And then after that, hindi lang pala yun, masusundan pa pala. So nung kinontak talaga ako, wala pa akong alam na information ko nung gagawin. I just said, okay, go, push. Kasama ko dyan, maging ako, go! Ganun talaga agad, wala pang alam. Sabi ko kay Jody, kung ano man yan, push ako dyan. Totoo yun. And then, nung malaman ko yung content, yung mangyayari, ano bang meron, syempre sabi ko, ay, hindi naman pala magiging mahirap. Kasi kung GB-GB lang, ayun din naman ang laging pinoportray natin sa social media. Hindi rin ako mahilig yung mga parang, yung mga kaniga-nagahan, yung mga ganyan. Kasi naniniwala ko na kung puro negative din naman yung nilalabas, ma-attract mo din yan eh. So parang, I love the idea na parang we're giving positivity sa tao, ina-uplift namin kumbaga parang, yung mga ginagawa nilang inspiring stories, lalo pa namin parang binibigyan ng parang justification na, oo, dapat nga ganyan tayo. Ganyan dapat. So that lahat ng nakakanood, ma-attract din nila, parang oo nga, kung sila kayang ganun, bakit tayo hindi? So napakaganda talaga nung episode ng, let's say, episode, nung Let's Drink to That, kasi puro siya inspiring stories na i-share sa inyong lahat.
Thank you, Gina. I'm here all the way at the back. Right here, right here, right here. Kasi ang next na magtatanong si Alex Brosas.
Hello, I have a question for China first and then Jody. How long, for China, how long
Hindi ko alam kung gano'ng kahaba.
have you, are you friends with Jody? How long?
Since nung Love You, 2022. Ganito ba? Yeah, kasi naging close kami dun sa Love You with an Accent na movie with Coco kasi magkasama kami sa house. Like for almost more than a month, no? Tapos lagi kami magkasama and then na-feel ko talaga na super duper warm niyang kasama. Hindi niya ipaparamdam talaga sa'yo na parang, oh, eto ako, hello, Jody ako, big star. Walang ganun eh. Hindi ganun eh. Yung parang, syempre ako po, ang tagal ko nang hindi umaarte, ang tagal kong nawala. So nung nakita ko siya, parang hindi ko alam kung ano ikikilos ko, natatakot ako kasi baka mamaya, di ba? Yung ganong feeling. Pero nung nag-start na kami, sabi ko, oh my God, siya pa nga gumagawa ko nung naglalagay ng lapel ko, nag-aayos ng salawal ko kapag hindi maayos. So, yung short, yung basta lagi mo ko inaayos, yung ganong peg ko. So, sobrang love na love ko talaga si Joe.
So that was a long time ago and then you worked sa Lavender Fields.
Opo.
having worked with Jodie sa Lavender Fields, what were your startling discoveries from then to now?
Paano po yung startling ko?
I don't repeat my questions. I'm not in the habit.
Oh my God! Ang hirap naman ng question. Hindi, pero ako, sa totoo lang po, nung nakasama ko si Jode sa Lavender, which is I'm expecting na makakasama ko siya. But for me, hindi ako nahirapang makatrabaho si Jodie sa Lavender Field. And I believe lahat din naman ng mga co-actors namin is ganun din po yung masasabi. Is pag nakasama mo si Jodie sa trabaho, is yung parang happy lang, happy set lang. Hindi mo mararamdaman yung parang ang layo mo sa kanya. Tsaka tinuturuan ka niya. Tsaka like, when meron tayong eksena na heavy drama, syempre parang komedyante po ako eh. Parang, hala, paano ko aarte dito kay Jodie? Parang nakakatawa ko, baka matawa siya sa akin. Pero hindi eh, napakagaling niyang umarte kasi kahit nagbibiruan kami, nagtatawanan, pag-ship niya nung acting niya, umiiyak na po talaga siya ng bonggang-bongga. Ganun po talaga kagaling si Jodie Santa Maria. Sana mahawaan mo ako ng galing mo sa pag-arte. Aray ko, yung baba ko naman
To Jodie, there are YouTube channels which feature insanely funny episodes. There are mundane episodes. There are not so funny episodes. How will you veer away from these episodes which ang purpose is to entertain, to just entertain at whatever costs?
What I would say about the JSM channel is that the JSM channel does not intend to be funny, but it intends to be fun. And our intention is really to, like what I said a while back, is to be able to entertain our viewers with our stories that we feature on the show. But that doesn't necessarily mean that you have to be like slapstick to do that. Because you can entertain while at the same time spreading positivity and being, a source of joy to them na hindi niyo po kailangan magpatawa. So, entertainment, I believe, comes in different forms. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Alex. I'm still here on this table, Jodie. Kasi, here pa rin. Medyo masarap ang chismisan dito sa table na to, no? Si Marinelle Cruz, meron siyang tinanong sa akin, what topics daw would you rather not talk about? May mga iiwasan ba kayo dito? Kasi nga, your intention is to inspire, to have fun. So ano yung mga medyo iiwasan mo? Kasi it's not part of the brand.
Actually, looking back now, because we have already completed our first season, for Live Light, I think yung mga topics na na-discuss namin doon are like some of the topics na sabihin natin hindi ganun ka-popular. Or maybe topics na could actually parang create like points for discussion. Kasi syempre, I'm not saying na magiging divisive siya, but then, alam mo yung magkakaroon kasi tayo ng iba't ibang mga perspective or pananaw doon sa mga topics na i-discuss doon. If, for example, there's a topic about boundaries. So, syempre, kinuwento ko na mamaya yung
spoilers.
Wala mo spoiler. So yeah, so let's, for example, boundaries with, family and friends and ganito. So, yun, isa yun sa mga topics or like how to begin again, mga ganyang mga topics yung pag-uusapan natin. For now, parang wala pa naman kaming talagang napag-uusapan na etong topic na to, iiwasan natin to, hindi natin to pwedeng pag-usapan. Kasi parang napaka-broad, ang daming pwedeng pag-usapan and kung hindi mo pag-uusapan, parang nire-restrict mo lang, naging restrictive yung, 'di ba, yung channel. So that's not the intention. The intention is for us to all learn about, a certain, let's say, I would not say it's an issue, but, topics.
Hindi, saka first season pa lang naman, you know, meron pang room for growth, for, gaya nga ng term na ginamit mo, mag-evolve, di ba, even the show. We're down to our last question, coming from my katokayo, MJ De Leon.
Hi, MJ.
Hi Jody, congratulations. Meron na naman kaming additional YouTube channel to watch, binge watch. My question is actually related to the previous question. Kasi for sure, na-explain mo naman, the channel is lightness, living light, you know, it's positive, watch for everyone. Pero kasi, there are times na nangyayari sa bansa natin, there's a certain segment kasi in social media who are sensitive, who are woke. AC is familiar to that. Kasi medyo vocal din si AC sa kanyang Twitter. Minsan kasi, pag meron na kayong platform, like celebrities like yourself, nag-i-expect yung netizens, oh, ano ba yung take ni Jody sa ganito? Will Jody speak about it? How do you think you will take it?
That is something that, you know, parang na-foresee naman namin. And our topics are, though, medyo, I won't say na sensitive, but these are essential topics na pwedeng pag-usapan. What I'll share there is like my own like personal views, my experiences about it. But like I also said a while back that there will be subject matter experts who will be with us, especially sa segment ng Live Light, because we don't want it like to be an opinion-based show lang. We want to have like parang experts to be with us because they will provide a more, sabi natin, professional insight on, let's say, certain topics. And also, naniniwala ako na hindi naman talaga lahat mag-a-agree sa isang idea. Kapag mag-present ka ng isang idea, maraming different takes doon sa idea na yun. But what we're trying to do here is not to like educate people, but we're like trying to give them, you know, a different set of perspectives. And we're not trying to like, parang shove it down their throats na ito yung paniwalaan mo, ito yung ganyan. At the end of the day, this is a show, ito yung pinaniniwalaan namin, ito yung take namin sa matter na yan, then, amen yon. It's up to you guys kung ano yung take ninyo sa, let's say, topics na madidiscuss. Pero, at the end of the day, walang pilitan.
Okay. Si AC, baka gusto niyang mag-comment on the question.
Again, parang for me, katulad nga nung sinabi ni Ate Jody na this is a room for positivity and good news, ganyan. And yung mga hard news, meron din siyang avenue, which is 7 to 8 na news. Siguro ang challenge lang po talaga for me ay yung i-explain kay Ate Jody kung anong ibig sabihin ng maanong ulam. Kasi in-explain pa namin sa kanya yun ng isang episode. Parang, Ate Jody, pinatay mo yung joke. So yun din alam ni Ate Jody. So may mga ina-explain talaga kami sa kanya. So yun yung challenge for us. Oo.
I guess ang tawag dyan is generational gap.
Maanong ulam?
Pareho naman tayo ng generation, napaka mo naman, ba't ako alam ko? Paano?
Pwede bang nahuli lang sa balita?
Pero naman, totoo yung, sinabi mo yung ate, kasi minsan pag nagtatalakayan na kami, like, on the spot kasi yung chikahan, di ba? And then bigla sasabihin ni Julie, ano yun? May gano'n, tapos hindi ano kami, i-explain namin. So, syempre, i-edit out na lang, pero may mga gano'n kaming chika.
Okay, thank you. Jory, one last question for you, wrapping up with all what was discussed today. Sabi kasi ng YouTube trends, you've chosen YouTube, di ba, as your channel. Sabi kasi ng YouTube trends, Filipinos daw, pang-wind down nila yung YouTube, watching YouTube. And it's still the platform with the most screen time for Filipinos with internet. Ano yung gusto mong take away sa kanila or feeling na dadalhin nila sa pagtulog nila? General question na lang.
Okay. Sige, actually, like I said, na parang this intends to uplift and bring joy to our viewers. So, kasi dahil tatlong magkakaibang shows yung ipapalabas natin, MJ. So, bawat show, iba-iba yung kanyang nilalaman. Well, for Let's Drink to That, yung segment namin tatlo ni na AC and China, of course, strategic din na Sunday namin siya nilagay because after a week, parang a week long, parang bombarded tayo ng mga news and syempre mga work or whatever happens in the workplace or with, you know, with everyone. You just want to end and start your day with something na mangingiti ka na, ay, ang cute naman ng story na yun, ay, nakaka-inspire naman yung story na yun. Okay, parang yun yung gusto namin ma-impart sa aming viewers. For JSM Travel and Tours, yung talagang just to keep exploring. Na parang, okay, meron na tayong mapupuntahan sa susunod na hindi ka kailangan gumastos ng mahal. And then for Lit Light, these are, you know, mga topics na hoping to like shed light on certain things, certain topics, and at the same time na mapunta siya sa tenga ng taong nangangailangan ng mensahe ng Infernate. Thank you!
Thank you, Jody. Ay, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga